Alright, I just want to give you a quick live look at this keyless entry for motorhome door lock. It's a door lock. But it's good keyless entry. You can unlock it, lock it. Your password there if you wanna lock it, or just simply by the key. But if you want to take the signal off for the keyless entry, there's a button on the back, or reset the password, or turn off the volume for the button. Pretty easy thing to do. But I just wanted to give you a quick live look. Thanks for watching my video review, and this is pretty solid too.